Do you have a brand story for your business? As a content writer, graphic designer, or other creative entrepreneur, you're probably used to spending more of your time helping your clients tell their story, either through writing or visuals, than you are telling your own brand story. Your brand story is critical because it's what sets you apart from other service providers beyond just the quality of your work. It's really what helps people get to know you and helps them connect with you and your business. Here's the thing though, a lot of people are doing this wrong. There are a few things that your brand story should include, but it shouldn't be all about you, contrary to how it sounds. So, I'm going to walk through the three main things that you need to discuss in your brand story, and then I'm going to give you a bonus as well. First up is the problem that you solve. Potential buyers want to know that you get them. And they really want to understand how you can help them. So they're not looking necessarily for your life story or a chronology of your business. Not that those details don't matter, but what they really want to understand from the get-go is whether you're the right person who can help them with their problem. And by talking about the problem that you solve in your brand story, it ensures that understanding from the potential client that, yes, this person gets me and they can actually help me. Then, of course, we do want to include some origin story. I am not saying not to talk about yourself in your brand story. So perhaps, your business was born out of a passion to tackle a particular challenge. When I think of my own content writing studio, Scribe National, I started it because I really felt like there was a gap in the content writing industry for quality content. And so that's why I got started. And I talk about that in my origin story. And so whatever that is for you, maybe you have maybe even a tech product, right? This isn't only for service-based entrepreneurs. I think this is super important for anybody who's got a passion, a mission, and who's put something out into the world is to talk about why you did that. This is really how you start building a bond with your audience once you get them beyond the stage of understanding that you can solve their problem. Next up would be the human side. So beyond just the problem you solve and your origin story, you want to go a little bit deeper, especially if you're a solopreneur who's really the face of your company. This gives you an amazing opportunity that larger companies really just don't have. So this is highlighting, what makes you tick? Who are you? What do you like to do outside of work? We've always got to share a little bit more so that our clients can make the choice beyond just evaluating service provider to service provider. They're also a lot of the time evaluating fit. And so knowing if you love dogs or cats, knowing if you enjoy the outdoors, knowing where your favorite vacation spot is, the more personal that you can get, the more of your values, your beliefs that you can share. Those things actually in a brand story make it super powerful, even though they're not specifically about the business. It makes it more real and it makes it more memorable. Now, the bonus tip that I want to include is really something that if you've got these stats and these results in your business, you want to make sure your brand story showcases it. And what that is your impact on your clients. So what I'm talking about here is really illustrating how your business helps drive results. The more that you can highlight this in your brand story and talk about those outcomes that you deliver, the more you're going to be able to build authority in a way that's really compelling. So to recap those four things that you want to include in your brand story, it's the problem you solve, your origin story, your human side, and the impact that you have on clients. Definitely stick around. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll be getting more weekly videos with business and marketing insights. You can also check out my brand guide if you go down to the video description. That's a free download that can help you get started building your brand if you're not there yet. Thanks for watching.